So you can use the employee message functionality, and this does also transfer over to the mobile app and to the adaptive view or the prettier view. You can use the messages to communicate with your employees and staff and to also get new correspondence out related to updated forms so you can get new signatures and all of that completed. This is also where we're using one of the tools and choices to put on your mandatory sexual harassment training. So there's two different ways that we support that. That's through the learning management system, our LMS, or you could do it right here through the portal through iSolved with this quick video link as well. So you can create these messages, add any sort of link, video, document. This is just a, hey, I'm communicating this to you. And if an employee's logging in to clocking it out or to get their pay stub, this is a really good spot to have this stuff as well, because it's going to post on their landing page. As soon as they log in, they're going to see these notices and they'll be able to address them as opposed to sending another email. So definitely don't lose sight of the fact that you can use iSolved to communicate with your staff. The other good part about this is that you can track actual forms. So if you're doing sexual harassment training, there's a screen that's called Documents on File, and the documents on file area is where you're going to actually go and run a report to see who has all of these documents. So if I specifically want to look at the sexual harassment training or that updated handbook, who signed off on it, I can use these filters here and it will populate the data and it will tell me what the upload date is, the completion date, and then I could quickly run a report to see who doesn't have it. But the other nice part is iSolved has that built-in email notification. If they don't complete it, you can harass them until the sun comes up. You could just be that annoying person that continuously emails them and you don't have to do it. The system automatically does it. So again, we're trying to eliminate the work and the tracking for you all.